Hey everyone, in this video I want to talk to you about chlorine tablets. How many chlorine tablets does it take to keep a pool sanitized, to keep the chlorine between maybe 2 and 4 parts per million? That's what I want to talk about in this video. If you're new to my channel and you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and please also give me a like on this video so other people can find it, and I would appreciate it. Okay, so chlorine tablets. What I normally do is I start off with about 2 tablets at a new customer's pool. If the pool is medium to large, I may start off with 3 tablets, see how that works by the next week. But typically I'll start out with 2 and just see if that's going to keep the chlorine really around a 3 part per million. That's what I usually shoot for. If it does, I'm going to keep the 3 tablets a week. If not, I'm going to increase it to 4. Rarely would I need to go to 4 or 5, but I do have pools that have 4 or 5 tablets a week. And the reasoning for that is it's going to be large pools. So the bigger a pool, the more chlorine tablets you're going to need to keep the chlorine levels stabilized. Also, just remember that the chlorine tablets are not to make a chlorine level, they are to maintain a chlorine level. So if you have a pool and there is no chlorine, you're going to need to shock it with liquid chlorine first before putting the tablets, and then with the tablets you should be able to maintain that. Hope you got some valuable information out of this video. Please check out my other videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.